Hello guys, so today we will discuss about how to install Composer on your Ubuntu system. So let's check its Composer is installed or not. In my PC, Composer is not installed. Okay, Composer, this is not installed. So we need to install Composer. I already note down tips to install the Composer in Ubuntu system. So this is my step. You can find also from your side uh, in Google, like how to install Composer in Ubuntu system. Then you will find lot of tutorial and blog links. In step 1 I uh, update my Ubuntu system. Yeah, it's already updated. It's helped to download the latest one. The step 2, installing the package CLI package for PHP that's helped to run Composer. So now we are going to prepare with our 3 steps. You just copy this and paste it and hit that enter. He said that the curl is not found on your system. So we need to install the curl. PHP curl is another package. Yeah, it's done. Okay, the copy and paste it here. Yeah, it's run. Now step 4, we need to install has. Yeah, we need to check has is working or not. Yeah, it's working. So now we need to turn to step 5, entered. Now you see that installer is verified. So the now 6th step is there. We going to install that Composer now in step 6. Yes, hit that enter button. Now it's going to install. Yeah, it's installed successfully. Your message you got. Now we need to check the Composer is here or not. Okay, so Composer, yeah, it's there. Thank you for watching this video guys. Have a nice day.